Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to break down one of the most useful SQL window function for data analysis, that is NTILE function. So what is NTILE? The NTILE function in SQL allows you to divide your result set into a specified number of buckets or groups. This is incredibly useful when you want to categorize data into equal size sections like quartiles, that is dividing into 4 groups, decile, that is dividing into 10 groups, percentiles, that is dividing into 100 groups, or any custom number of groups. Each row in your dataset gets assigned a group number from 1 to n depending on how you want to sort the data. So the syntax of NTILE is NTILE n over partition by column name and then order by column name. Here, n is the number of groups or tiles you want to divide the dataset into. Order by denotes the ranking logic, and partition by denotes grouping category. So we have a sample table sales which is having following column, that is ID, region, salesperson and sales amount. So we want to divide all the salespeople into three performance group based upon their sales. So let's write down the query and run the query. Here we are sorting the salespeople by sales amount in the descending order, and tile 3 divides the dataset into three equal buckets. So in the result set you can see each row is assigned to a performance group from 1 to 3. The top performers are in the group 1, the middle performers are in the group 2, and the lowest performers are in the group 3. Let's say we want to divide the salespeople within each region into two groups, like top half and the bottom half of that region. So let's write the query. So what's happening here? Partition by region means we are applying the logic separately within each region. Each region will have its own group 1 and group 2. So here the dataset is being divided into two tiles, that is east region and the west region. And here we are using order by sales amount. So within the partition, the sales amount gets ordered in descending order, and we have set the entile to 2. So your region is being divided into two groups. So how NTILE distribute the rows? NTILE tries to evenly distribute rows across the number of groups. If the number of rows isn't evenly divisible, the extra rows are assigned to the earlier buckets. For example, if there are 7 rows and we have set the NTILE to 3, so each group will be having 3, 2 and 2 rows. Thus, the first group gets more rows. It is clearly visible from this example as well. So, a partition is having 3 rows, and we have set entile to 2. So, the earlier group will be having the more number of rows as compared to the lower group. So, there you have it, a complete breakdown of entile function in SQL. So, what we have learned: what is entile, its syntax, when to use order by and partition by, how to apply it in real world scenarios, and how buckets are distributed.